Hey there, my name is Lakshay Kumar, and my friend Pranav Bilangundu and we both made this project called Calory for Courier Hacks. So just go here. So this is what the basic template is. Just a quick rundown. What this app does, web, is that you can enter any food and it displays the calories and all the nutritional values along with the graph of it. And it also shows workouts that you can do to burn those calories. So let's say if I do something like a bagel, right? Then it shows right here. So the amount of calories that it has, and then it shows a nutritional value that it has um, right here. And then it shows the workouts that you can do to burn these calories, right? And so, just a quick rundown, this is all done with a nutrition API that I integrated into this app. And also, there's also a display. I use charts.js for this. This is just a display shown of the calories over here. So it's basically like, whenever you get a food product, it shows the nutritional value, right? So that's what it is. It shows the nutritional value of bagel. And it can range from many things. Like, I'm an Indian guy myself, so I can put in like paneer, right? So there's 299.7 calories, and then it shows everything over here. So it shows the carbohydrates, the fiber, the protein, all the good stuff here, right? It shows power yoga. It shows what you can do to burn these calories, and this is all calculated by math fillers, which is an extension. And then let's say if I did something like sugar, then it also shows, um, you know, the risks of having high amount of sugar. So this is in this calorie app, calorie. I'd say it's a great indicator of the food you're eating, so that you know what you're eating, what you're consuming, especially into individual food, and then how to burn it and what it looks like on a chart. So it's easy to differentiate. There's many things I can do. So I can even do like, let's see, cheese. There we go. Or something even like or brisket, or there we go. Yep, and like chicken, and there we go. Yeah. So it has an unlimited amount of food products you can do, even like masala. Even it shows that. I'm not sure if about carne asada. I'd be surprised if it does. Oh wow, even carne asada, it even shows carne asada. So that's actually pretty surprising. So yeah, it has a wide variety. Um, Yeah, so here, this is about the front end. Now, why don't we look at the code and what was this was made in? So I made this in Django, a Python framework, and I made this with the HTML front end. But back end was vastly done in um, over here with Django. So I'll just show this real quick. Yeah, so here's the API key for our nutrition API, and there was more here, and then yeah, the URLs. So this is basically just for the view of how it would look, and that's what ran the API using Django. And I personally found Django really fun to use. This is actually my first time using this framework, so I found it interesting having to download a virtual environment and everything. So yeah, it was definitely a nice experience. And personally for me, I think uh, this app has a lot of potential too. Just especially because I'm also someone who likes to know what I eat, and I feel like having a web app like this that has uh, imminent response on the food you're eating, it's really important. And something that we can improve on. So this is Courier Hacks, and you may be wondering like, oh, okay, this is nice, but where is the Courier Send API? Well, here's the thing. I was able to get Courier working right here, Courier.py. I was able to get the Python working for this end, for the back end, but the problem is that I can't connect it to the front end. Well, I can, but I just was not able to in time. So um, unfortunately, that part wasn't able to be done. But essentially, I was going to use the Courier Send API to send like a whole like CSV file, or just a whole like file of the nutrients of each food that you want to send in. So that is definitely something that we will be improving on. But overall, this was a really fun project that my partner and I worked on. We did work pretty hard on this, and we really like this idea. And this was our first time using Django, this Python framework with HTML as our front end. So yeah, I really do appreciate it. And yeah, thank you.